Top 15 MBA college with high ROI and low academic requirements. Dreaming of an MBA with high ROI but worried about strict academic requirements? Check out these top picks. Welcome back to Promote Education. Today we are diving into the top MBA colleges that focus more on entrance exams and less on past academic requirements. If you are after a high ROI and want to avoid strict academic requirements, keep watching. Let's go. FMS Delhi. First on the list is FMS Delhi, famously known as the Red Building of Dreams. What sets FMS apart is that they place 100% weightage on your CAT score, 95% on the CAT and only 5% gender diversity. So your previous grade don't need to hold you back. The average package is around 2 lakh with fee of just 2.5 lakh, 5 lakh total with living expense. That's some serious ROI. Want a top MBA college with low fee and high salary potential? FMS Delhi focuses 95% on CAT. High ROI, MBA dream. JBIMS Mumbai, Jamanalal Bajaj Institute of Management Science. Next we have JBIMS Mumbai. Here, 60% of the weightage goes to entrance exams like CAT, MAHCT, CMAT or GMAT. So the focus is on recent performance rather than old grades. Plus they consider work experience and diversity, giving applicants with unique background an edge. With average package of around 27 lakh and fees of around 6 lakh, Jamanalal Bajaj Institute of Management Science offered another fantastic ROI. 60% weightage on entrance exams? That's JBIMS Mumbai's secret. Ideal for career change, top MBA, career growth. Sailesh J. Mehta School of Management, IIT Bombay. Moving to Sailesh J. Mehta School of Management at IIT Bombay, where they emphasize CAT score with 70% weightage. And your class 10 and 12th grade has a minimum impact. It's an excellent option for students looking to break into project management or tech role with an MBA. Here the average package is about 26 lakh and the fees is around 10 lakh, keeping the ROI high. Minimum weightage on school grade but big focus on CAT. Welcome to Sailesh J. Mehta School of Management, IIT Bombay. TOMS IISc Bangalore. TOMS at IISc Bangalore is another great choice as they base 100% of their admission on entrance exams like CAT, GATE or GMAT. Your past academic performance won't be a hurdle here. With an average package of 27 lakh and fees of around 6 lakh, TOMS has solid ROI too. Entrance exams are everything at TOMS IISc Bangalore. Perfect for non-traditional MBA candidates. DMS IIT Delhi. Lastly, DMS at IIT Delhi prioritize CAT scores and GDPI. With a slight preference for IIT NIT graduates, the school's high average package and relatively affordable fees make it another good option to consider if you are aiming for a great return on your investment. Looking to boost your profile? DMS IIT Delhi gives major weight to CAT scores. Each of these colleges offer high ROI and places more importance on recent performance over past academics. Comment below if any of these MBA programs caught your attention. Thank you.